7.
Leader.
Leader. Okay, what's your leader? So, you know what? Okay? Your 8, conclusion, recommendation, and this is acknowledgement, okay? And this is dedication. Okay, did you follow through the correct word that we should use? Instead of me, I use us. Instead of I, our. Kaya we. Okay? Because we are not only alone.
Yes, the we use our.
Okay, very good. Okay, alright. So, the other na lang ako. Harap na ba sa just like this one. Yes, to our. Yes, not to mine. Yes, very good. We dedicate, not I dedicate because the researchers. Okay, researchers. Tao kayo, di ba? Kayo yung nag-dedicate. So, naman, galing ang dedication sa mga tao, kayo yung researchers. Okay, so Roman numeral 11, this is 12, this is 13, and this is, what's this? 13, this is 14, okay? It should be like this. 13, 14, okay? 10 plus 4. Okay, tapos, okay, 14, 15. Ayan. Tapos, okay, so this is the table of contents, and you will start with 1, 2. Okay, okay na pala siya. Okay, so I'm just looking, ito yung sinasabi ko, it should be inverted. Yes, will be inverted, except abstract and the letter of permission. Kasi yung heading, andito sa side ko, kaya black siya. B-L-O-C-K. Right, so pag-indent na natin ko. Okay. Alright, so the rest, everything should be inverted. Okay. Right. So, okay, so, okay, this is okay. Same with this, yep. Okay, now, you'll be the one to do the rest, okay? Kaya nang bahala din sa kapangan para
Yes,
sa'yo. Right, now, my question is, why did you choose this issue? Okay, the issue of exploring the listening comprehension difficulties of junior high school. Actually, without exploring, the title or the issue is all about listening comprehension difficulties. Okay, that. Okay, hold on. Tapos, poses, challenges, and learning implications to junior high school students. So what do you think? This is more formal and more forceful
So we need to change the title.
as much as possible. Okay? I don't know if I forgot to tell you the minute to.
Actually, ano po,
Yes.
yung chinek po ni Ma'am Charity, nagpapirma po kami ng letter na una nila po yung sa my difficulties and then sa comprehension.
Dapat daw pagbalik ka rin and then lagyan ng N. Difficulties and comprehension dapat.
Okay. This set. We're talking about the issue. Okay. So your issue is listening comprehension difficulties. So ito lang naman yung magiging ayos niya, no? Listening comprehension. This is the issue. Okay. Okay. But actually, it will only become an issue if there is a problem. Okay? So yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Charity siguro is, yung difficulties, isusunod dito. Is that so?
Listening difficulties and comprehension.
Paano?
Listening difficulties and comprehension.
Listening comprehension difficulties. Listening difficulties comprehension. Parang Parang hindi siya okay. Okay, so ganito siya. Okay? Listening comprehension difficulties. I think this is the right one. Listening comprehension difficulties. Ang sinabi niya is listening difficulties in comprehension. Parang ganon. Okay. I'm gonna want to decide, okay? Listening comprehension difficulties. The problem is in listening comprehension. So you are somewhat talking about, you'll be exploring, you'll be surveying, or having, a survey about those students having difficulties in listening comprehension.
Yes.
Okay. So ito, tama lang yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Okay. So actually, causes, challenges, and learning implications. Okay? Right? So ito, its impact to actually, kahit nawala na yung causes, challenges, automatic na nakapalot na yan sa notifications ninyo. Okay? Kasi sobrang negative na yung dating niya kasi. Okay? So, it should be specific. So, pwede natin ilagay na lang dito, its impact. Okay, its impact to junior. Its impact to learning. Anong section kayo ulit?
3S.
Okay, so language, ano? Okay. So, its impact to language learning. Laging kasama yung language. Kasi yun ang kontriya natin eh. Okay. To language learning of, ayan, papasok na yung junior high school students. Okay. Okay. In okay, much better because we are specific. Okay, malasigi. Malasigi ano, walang tama yan ang tama. Ano Valley College. Okay. So, academic year. Okay. Dito siya sa baba nga. Academic year 2024-2025. Ayan. Okay, so mas malinaw. Ha? Okay, listening comprehension difficulties. Its impact to language learning of junior high school. Okay. So, let's begin now. May I ask you, why did you choose this topic?
So, which is that topic to aiming to identify their causes and challenges to provide helpful solutions. And it focuses on students at North Platte College
Alright.
to make findings relevant to the local context.
Okay. So, you're the leader in it?
Yes.
What's your apelyido? Sorry.
Evangelist.
Evangelista. Oh, bakit wala ng pangalan mo?
Firma.
Sa una.
Saan? Ay, bakit nandiyan? Dito ang tinitignan ko. Okay. Kasi nga ko yung researcher. Okay. Members. Ay, shh. Kala ko walang S. Members na tuloy ako. Kung masyadong layo yung sarili mo. Oo, pinaginabi mo yung sarili mo kasi mga ano mo yan, kabahan mo yan. Okay. So, that's correct. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's go to the statement of the problem. Okay, what are the problems that you need some answers through the use of the questionnaires? Okay? Okay, what are the problems that you got? Ang problems kasi, yun ang sasagutan ninyo. It should be aligned with the survey, with the final findings, the summary findings to conclusion of the recommendation. Okay? And you can do so by using methods. That is why there is a method here. Okay? Methodology. Right. So, what are the problems that is that? Come on. Alright, one.
This project seeks to provide reflective responses to the following questions. Number 1 is what are the characteristics?
What page is that? Okay, I have it. Okay, I'll get it. Number 4. Okay. Alright, so you have written some questions.
Yes, ma'am. But it focuses on unfamiliar and unexpected accent and characteristic patterns of pronunciation, high speech rate, English conversation participation opportunities are lacking, and effective listening strategies. Following correct verbal instructions, confidence and anxiety, listening.
Okay, so do you think you have answered all of these questions? Did you consider this in your findings? Yes, are you sure? Okay, because you need to answer these things in your survey. Okay, so you will come up now with the percentage. So, according to the survey that you have done, how many? Okay. Right? What is the percentage of listening comprehension difficulties among junior high school? Yes. Yung percentage, yung nahirapan, yung, okay, yung, they have difficulties in listening.
Sa survey mo, may nilagay po kami ng English proficiency of respondents. So, the data shows that 31% of the students are beginners, 58% are intermediate, and 11% are in advanced English proficiency.
Right. English proficiency, is that about speaking skill or listening skill? Okay. So, how many percentage again?
In advanced, ma'am, we have 11%.
11%.
Beginner is 31%, and intermediate is 58%.
Okay, a total of
100%.
100%. Okay. In that case, you will look forward on what to do, what to be done to those students with advanced, with other categories, with beginners, okay, and intermediate listeners. Okay. So, as a result of your findings, you need to conclude them. Okay? Shortcut na natin para mapag-discuss. Yung tinutumbok ito is the problem about listening comprehension. Okay. So, what is your conclusion regarding the students here in Mabisi, especially the junior high school? What is your conclusion? That, based from the major findings, you conclude then that
our conclusion is, based on the results of the investigation, the following conclusions are: junior high school students experience major challenges in listening comprehension, especially during school discussions and when they practice rapid or conversational speech. The second one is these difficulties are directly related to their level of English proficiency, vocabulary, constraints, and cognitive overload in real-time processing. Although the students demonstrate awareness of beneficial strategies and the importance of technology, their confidence is in improving its needs. The results come from previous literature highlighting the complexity of listening as a skill and underscore the necessity for focused strategy-based strategy.
right? So, did you find out that there are some barriers why some of these junior high school students are having difficulties in listening comprehension? What might be the barriers? Did you put some of these in your findings? Or maybe in the introduction, wherever it is needed. Okay? What might be the barriers? Why some of these students have difficulties in listening What might be the barriers? Hadlang.
Lack of conversational and unfamiliar words,
Of comprehension.
yes, missing comprehension.
Okay, lack of comprehension. Of course, that's the issue, isn't it? So what are these barriers that might contribute to the lack of comprehension? What are these barriers? First, the teacher factor. One factor is the teacher. Okay? So this is the reason why you need to improve what? Your strategies, your teaching strategies, as well as the teaching materials to be used in teaching instructional material. Yeah. Okay. So related yung subject natin 11 to 6 actually.
I am
So,
Actually, kung sa strategies and coping mechanism po namin is, nasa survey din po namin siya.
Yeah,
The
okay.
task level coping strategies used were asking for